Hello children, welcome you all in today's session. In today's session, we will be discussing the homework answers which were given in the previous classes. Okay, and also we will be seeing problems from exercise 4.3. Look at R68. Here, find minus 25 into minus 72 is given. So just find what is the product of 25 and 72. Okay, 2 5s are 10, 2 to the 4 plus 1, 5, 7 5s are 35. Okay, 7 2s are 14 plus 3, 17. So the answer is 1800. Okay, but here we have minus into minus. So the answer is nothing but minus 25 into minus 72 equal to plus 25 into 72 only, because minus into minus will become plus. Okay, so the answer is 1800. Next, look at R69. Here we have 4 terms. Minus 20 into minus 2 into minus 5 into 7. Okay, let me group this. Minus 20 into 7 into minus 2 into minus 5. Why did I group like this? Because 2 and 5 when multiplied together it will give you 10. Okay, so 2 7s are how much? 14 and one more 0. And this is plus minus into plus, so again we get minus. Okay, into minus minus will give you plus. Yes or no? Next you have 2 5s are 10 simply. Okay, so the final answer will be minus into plus minus 140 into 10 is 1400. Is it clear? This is the final answer. Next, R70, find 80 divided by minus 5. So you will have 80 divided by minus 5. You can cancel 80 and 5 in 5 table. 5 ones are 5 and 5 ones are 5. 3 is remaining here. It will combine with the 0, 30, 16 you will get. Okay, because 5 3s are 5 6 are 30, right? So this 30, instead of 30 you are writing 6 here after cancelling. So the final answer will be, here you have minus, no? But in numerator you don't have minus. So that is, 16 by minus 1. And that is simply same as minus 16. Okay, so this is the final answer. Now let us look at the answers of exercise 4.2. First question, C subdivision, x minus 1 is equal to 5 is given. We have to give the step. Okay, so here minus 1 is given. Okay, 1 is subtracted here. So what we have to do, we have to add 1. Okay, so add 1 on both sides. So you will have x minus 1 plus 1 equal to 5 plus 1. And you will get x is equal to 6. Okay. Next, x plus 6 is equal to 2. So here, subtract 6 on both sides. Okay. So you will have x plus 6 minus 6 is equal to 2 minus 6. Plus 6 minus 6 will get cancelled and x is equal to minus 4. Okay. Subtract and write the sign of bigger number. Fine. Next, add 4 on both sides. So you will have y minus 4 plus 4 equal to 4 plus 4. Okay, minus 4 plus 4 will get cancelled. Y is equal to 8. Okay, next, y plus 4 is equal to 4. So you will write subtract 4 on both sides. Okay, so you will have y plus 4 minus 4 equal to 4 minus 4 plus 4 minus 4 get cancelled, plus 4 minus 4 get cancelled, and y is equal to 0. Okay, then y plus 4 is equal to minus 4 is given. So write subtract 4 on both sides. So you will have y plus 4 minus 4 equal to minus 4 minus 4. Plus 4 minus 4 will get cancelled and y is equal to minus 8. Is it clear? Look here. Next question, second question. Here 3L is equal to 42 is given. So we have to divide by 3 because in this question 3 and L are multiplied. Okay. So write divide 3 on both sides. We'll have 3L by 3 equal to 42 by 3. 3 will get cancelled. 3 and 42 will get cancelled. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. 1 is left out, no? 12. 3 fours are 12. So 3 14s are 42. Okay. And we will have here L is remaining and this side only 14 is remaining. So L is equal to 14 is the answer. Okay. Next, coming to the next question. B by 2 is given. So 2 is divided here. So write multiply 2 on both sides. Okay. So you will have 2 into B by 2 is equal to 2 into 6. 2 will get cancelled and you will have B is equal to 12. 2 6 are 12, right? Yeah. Okay. Next, 8 y is equal to 36 given. So we have to divide by 8. Okay. So divide by 8 on both sides. So you will have 8y by 8 equal to 36 by 8. 8 will get cancelled. Okay. And you will have y is equal to simply 36 by 8. You cannot cancel 36 and 8, right? Yes. So you can simply have it like this itself. Okay. Next. Z by 3 is equal to 5 by 4. Here we have 3 in the denominator of Z. So write multiply 3 on both sides. Okay. So you will have 3 into Z by 3 equal to 3 into 5 by 4. Okay. So this one will have 3 and 3 will get cancelled. Only Z will be remaining this side. And on the right hand side 3 5s are 15 and in the denominator 4. 15 by 4. So the answer is 15 by 4. Clear? Look here. Next question, third one. Here we have to separate the variable and then we have to find the solution for the variable. And we have to mention all the steps that we are using here. So first step to separate variable is we have to keep only 5m, right? So we have to remove 7 from here. So write subtract 7 on both sides. Okay. So what will you get? 5m plus 7 minus 7 equal to 17 minus 7. Plus 7 minus 7 will get cancelled and 5m is equal to 17 minus 7 is 10. Okay. Now 5m is here. So you will write divide 5 on both sides. Okay. So you will have 5m divided by 5 is equal to 10 by 5. 5 will get cancelled. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So the value of m is at last equal to 2. Clear? So step by step you will find, first you will separate the variable, then you will give what step we have to use and then at last you will find the value of the given variable. Okay. Next, this question. Here 3p is the term which is having the variable. So we have to remove 10 from here. Okay. So write 10 is divided. So we have to write multiply 10 on both sides. So we will have 10 into 3p by 10 equal to 10 into 6. Okay. So 10 and 10 will get cancelled. 3p is equal to 60. So right, next step, divide 3 on both sides. Okay. So what will you get? 3p by 3 equal to 60 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 2s are 6 and 0 as it is. 3 3 will get cancelled. So the final value for P is equal to 20. Is that clear? This side only P is remaining and this side only 20 by 1 is remaining, that is same as 20. So clear? Look at the fourth question. Here we have to solve the given equation and we have to find the solution of the given variable. Okay. So here what you will do, 10p by 10 is equal to 100 by 10. So 10 and 100 will get cancelled. 10 tens are 100. 10 will get cancelled. So at last p is equal to 10. Okay. So then here you will multiply with 4, right? P by 4 is equal to 4 into 5. So P 4 and 4 will get cancelled and P is equal to 20. Okay. Next same thing here also. Okay. 3 into P by 3 equal to 3 into 5. 3 will get cancelled and P is equal to 3 5s are 15. Fine. So look at the question here. 3s plus 12 is equal to 0 is given. So we have to find the value of s. So we have to remove 12 first. Okay. So write 3s plus 12 minus 12 equal to 0 minus 12. So plus 12 minus 12 will get cancelled. 3s is equal to minus 12. Okay. Then you will have 3s divided by 3 equal to minus 12 divided by 3. Okay. Then you will have, look here, 3 and 3 will get cancelled. 3 and 12 will get cancelled because 3 4s are 12. Okay. So this side only s will be remaining and that side minus 4. So s is equal to minus 4 is the solution for the given equation. Clear? Look at the next question. 2q is equal to 6. So here what will you do? You will divide by 2, right? Because it is multiplied with 2. Q is multiplied with 2. So we will be dividing it by 2 instead of cancelling it. Okay. In order to cancel it, we are dividing like this. So 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6. So q is equal to 3. Fine. Next thing. Here we need to find the value of q. So remove 6 first. So subtract 6 on both sides. So what will you get? 6 and minus 6 will get cancelled. 2q is equal to minus 6. Okay, so remove 2q now. So 2q divided by 2 is equal to minus 6 divided by 2. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Only q will be remaining. 2 and 6 will be get cancelled. 3 here, 1 here. So what is the answer for q? Q is equal to minus 3. Fine. This side only q is remaining. This side minus 3 by 1. That is same as minus 3. Next, 2q plus 6 is equal to 12. Here also same thing we have to do. Subtract 6 on both sides. Okay. So you will have 2q is equal to 6 and 2q divided by 2 is equal to 6 by 2. It will get cancelled. So at last q is equal to 3. So is it clear? So that's all. We have discussed all the homework answers. Now let us enter into today's session. In today's class, we will be seeing few problems from exercise 4.3. Okay. So here look at the question. 5t plus 28 is equal to 10 is given and we have to find the value of t. Okay. So in this exercise, we will be learning a new thing called transposing. Okay. What do you mean by transposing? Transposing is nothing but changing the side. Okay. Let me do it, then you can understand. Okay. So now I am writing here transpose 28. Okay. So you will have 5t is equal to 10 and this 28 will be changed to the other side. Okay. When it is changed to the other side, its sign becomes opposite. If it is a plus sign, it will become minus sign. Okay. Minus 28. So this is what transposing is. Nothing. You have to change the side and you have to change the sign also. Side and sign. Keep it in mind. Okay. So you will have 5t is equal to, if you subtract, what will you get? Minus 18. Okay. So then you will have divide 5 on both sides. Okay. So 5t by 5 equal to minus 18 by 5. So 5 and 5 will get cancelled and t is equal to minus 18 by 5. This will be your final answer. Clear? Look at the next question. Your next question is q by 4 plus 7 is equal to 5. So here we have to transpose 7. Okay. So write transpose 7. So you will have q by 4 equal to 5. If it goes the side, it becomes minus 7. Okay. So that is q by 4 equal to minus 2. Okay. So you will have multiply 4 on both sides. Okay. So 4 into q by 4 equal to 4 into minus 2. And that is 4 will get cancelled. So q is equal to minus 8. Right? Plus into minus is minus and 4 2s are 8. So q is equal to minus 8. Clear? Next is f subdivision. Here we have to first multiply by 2. Okay? Because 2 is divided, right? Okay. First multiply by 2. Multiply 2 on both sides. Okay. So what will you get? 2 into 5 by 2 equal x is equal to 25 by 2 into 25 by 4. So 2 will get cancelled. 2 and 4 will get cancelled. 2 2s are 4. Okay, so this side only 5x is there and this side 25 by 2. Okay, now we need only x, so we have to divide by 5. Okay, so divide 5 on both sides. Okay, so what will you get? 5x by 5 equal to 25 by 2, and here itself you can write 5. Okay, you are dividing with 5 only, no? So in the denominator itself you can put a multiplication symbol and you can write 5. Okay, 5 will get cancelled and 5 and 25 will get cancelled. Okay, so what is remaining here? X is equal to, this side only x is remaining and this side 5 by 2 ones are 2. 5 by 2. Okay, look carefully and write. So only x by 5, x equal to 5 by 2 is left out. Next question. Here we have to transpose 19 by 2. Okay, so write 19 by 2. So you will have 7m is equal to 13 minus 19 by 2. So this can be written as, take LCM. So you will have 26 minus 19. So that is equal to 7 by 2. Okay, so 7m is equal to 7 by 2. Now divide 7 on both sides. Okay, so what will you get? 7m by 7 equal to 7 by 2 into 7. 7 7 cancel, 7 7 cancel. Okay, so what will be left out? M is equal to 1 by 2. Clear? This side only m is left out and this side now nothing in the numerator, and here 2 into 1, that is 2. So m is equal to 1 by 2 is the solution. Clear? So wherever transposing is possible, you can transpose and you can do. In the previous exercise we saw that if it is given like that, we will write subtract 28 on both sides, like that we will write. So instead of writing like that, we are using a term transposing. Okay, transpose 28, transpose 19 by 2, like that. We are using a different term here. Okay, and we are changing the side and sign of the number. Okay, J subdivision. Here 2b by 3 minus 5 is equal to 3 is given. So here we have to transpose 5 first. Okay, so write transpose 5. So you will have 2b by 3 equal to, moving 5 on this side, you will have 3 and plus 5. Okay, So this is equal to 2b by 3 equal to 8. Okay. Then first we have to remove this 3. So write 3 is divided now, so we have to do multiplication. Okay. So multiply 3 on both sides. Okay. Step by step you can solve. Okay. So you will have 3 into 2b by 3 equal to 3 into 8. So 3 and 3 will get cancelled. 2b is equal to 3 8 are how much? 24. Okay. Okay. Next you have 2b here. 2 and b is multiplied. So you will write divide 2 on both sides. Okay. So then what will you get? You will get 2b by 2 equal to 24 by 2. Yes or no? 2b by 2, 24 by 2. Okay. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. 2 and 24 will get cancelled. 2 ones are 2, 2 12s are 24. So b is equal to 12. This is the final answer. Is it clear? So you have in this sum we have used 3 steps. Okay. Transposing, multiplying and then dividing. Okay, like this you can go step by step and you can solve the given equation and find the solution of the variable. Okay. So that's all for today's class. Let us meet in the next class. Thank you and have a nice day.